everybody, it's Ethany and I am back with some more make your own oracle cards, and today I'm going to be making some vintage flower girl cards. I actually created a mood board for these two cards that I'm going to create. I'm using the old samples that I have here. So I'm going to be using these like I do with everything else, but I did create a mood board and I really loved the way it worked out. I got some new goodies. I found these amazing stickers from different artists, and I got them from a shop online. I know Brittany McCowan has them. There's another one in the Netherlands that have these. I also got some MU series rub-on stickers, which I really love a lot. I feel like the yellow goes really well with the more vintage theme. I have already decided what I'm going to put on each one of the cards, so that is where I really start. For those of you who want to, like, how do I get started? I went through the stickers that I received. There's quite a number of them, and I really liked these two, and then I thought, what would I want to say with these two? And the first one is with this, it kind of gave me a little bit of hermit vibes from the tarot. So the quote that I'm going to put for this on the card is "Light the way for others." I do have word stickers, but I'll see how I feel with this as well. I printed this off with my faux memo printer, and then this one I thought of tend the garden of your soul. So I tried these two fonts and I printed that off as well in semi-permanent. So those are going to be the inspiration. I've got a ton of vintage. I've got vellum, I've got prints, I've got tags, I've got stickers, I got washi tapes, basically just a lot of going on my collection. So now I'm going to switch over cameras. I love creating mood boards. I love art journaling like so much. It just makes me really happy to look through a book full of really pretty images. So I am going to switch over the cameras and you're going to watch me make the vintage flower girl oracle cards. Okay, so these are the finished cards. The only thing I have left to do is to round the corners, which I forgot. I got this brand new corner rounder after I broke the last one. Isn't that a lovely sound? I got this one on Amazon. Oh, that's not flush, that's why. I got this one on Amazon.ca, so you can get them pretty cheaply. I find that even if you go into like a Michael's here, you're not always guaranteed to find, like, they carry a lot of memory keeper stuff, but you don't always get, and this doesn't always cut very well. Let's try this again. That's better. So yes, let me just do that. The very Virgo rising in me getting a little particular. Okay, so these are the final cards. I'm really happy with how they turned out. I really enjoyed making all of the cards so far. They will go into with the rest of the collection, so just put some light on there. It's getting a little dark outside, so light the way for others and tend the garden of your soul. So I'm really happy. I love these transfer stickers because they sit so nicely on top of like any medium. I really like them. I like that there is some white space in this one as well. So these are my vintage flower girls that are going to be added to my collection, and I will be doing more soon. If there's a theme you would like me to do, let me know, and I'll see what I can do as well. Thanks so much for watching.